I make or you make it? Because you don't have anything there.
You're the chef.
No.
Kostas, we have prepared a very special dish for you, and it's called fajitas. It's normally Mexican, but we're going to give it a Greek touch with you today.
Of course, of course.
So our first step is we move the wonderful corn pieces into a big mixing bowl. And because we like our fajitas really spicy and flavory and tasty, we're going to add all of the spices you have in front of you into this big mixing bowl. Is cooking a big thing at home?
I used to cook a lot, not only Greek foods. When I have friends, I try to give them the best flavors. Special moments when you fix to them just a good food and you make them happy. For me, it's something unique.
So if we speak about protein, especially in this high demanding elite performance world, I think it's even more important to focus on the right choices what we make, because or especially your body is almost like a very expensive car.
Yeah.
And we don't want to go to the petrol station and just fuel it up with the wrong choice. The Quorn produce is so special towards having no cholesterol in it and having such a high amount of fibre structures in it. We stir it around for a couple of minutes till everything is like flavoury and ready to be filled into the wrap.
Let's do it.
Look at this precise technique.
I make it with love.
Doesn't it look fantastic? Have a little try and let us know what you think.
Very tasty, a little bit spicy. And I think in fajitas, it's better than meat when you put the corn inside. Go meat-free on match day with corn.